guys, welcome back to Peer Engineer. Today we are going to show you how to register for the Goldman Sachs Engineering Campus Hiring Program for the students of batch 2022 and 2023. The Goldman Sachs Group is a leading global investment banking, securities and investment management firm. So Goldman Sachs has launched their engineering campus hiring program, which they do every year. So this year they are having a full-time hiring for 2022 batch and an internship program for 2023 batch. Now let's go visit the site. I'll be sharing the link in the description. Now this is the site. Now let's check out the eligibility. So for 2022 new analyst, the students who will be graduating in 2022 are eligible for the full-time hire and they will be joining in next May or June if they crack the rounds. Next, 2022 summer internship, graduation in 2023. So the students who are graduating in 2023 are eligible for this internship and they will be joining in next April or July if they crack the rounds. Program types, internship and full-time. So the cities, they will be having these programs at Bengaluru and Hyderabad. Last year it was just Bengaluru. So the deadlines are as follows. Applications are already open since July 22, 2021 and will be closing on August 15, 2021. The overview here gives us more information about the program, like you will be having multiple assessment rounds as a part of the selection process where your programming skills and analytical aptitude will be tested. Program timelines. Registrations will be starting from July 2022 as we discussed before and will be ending on August 15. Then the assessments, that is the rounds they will be having. So first round will be the aptitude test which will be held on August 22, 2021. Then the technical test will be held in the first week of October 2021 only for those students who will be shortlisted through the aptitude. And then they will be having the interviews. Interviews which will be held in the third week of October 2021 only for the students who will be shortlisted through the aptitude and technical tests. This program is open to all engineering students in India across pre-final and final year of graduation and post-graduation. That means for 2022 and 2023 batches of BTech or M students. Here they have also given a FAQ document. You can check it out for some common doubts and stuff. Now let's see the process for the registration. If you just scroll down the website, you will find a button named Register. So if you are applying for the internship position, then you can click the first button. And if you are applying for the new analyst full-time position, then click the second button. Now as I am applying for the new analyst full-time position, I'll be clicking this one. I had applied for the summer internship program last time, so I already have an account here and so I'm just logging in. If you want to register for it, you just have to fill some basic information. Now after we log into the account, you will be able to see the site for it. You can just go through the options given here if you need any help. Now let's click on the Apply Now button. Now here we are able to see the site and as I'm applying for new analyst, I'll be clicking the same. If you are applying for summer analyst, then you can click it. Now here's the site for it. Click Apply. Now here we have to fill in the details for it for the position preference. So here we have to fill the recruiting year. So for me, which is 2022, as I'm applying for the position of new analyst, I'll be selecting the same. Here is a little bit information given about it. Please read it. Then we have to select a location, our location, which is India. Bengaluru. And division engineering campus hiring program. Subdivision is general. Then work authorization for India. So are you legally authorized to work in India? Yes. Will you now or in the future require sponsorship? No. Then passport information. If you have a passport, then say yes. If you don't have a passport, then say no. And then fill the other details accordingly. Just say save and continue after you're done. Next, we have to fill in the contact information. Your name, middle name, last name, etc. Email, country, address, city, zip code, phone number, etc. After you fill in the details, say save and continue. Now, here you have to fill in your educational details like your graduation date, college, university, GPA, CGPA, major GPA, etc. Just fill in the required details. Then we have to fill in the degree, major or subject, degree category, degree, subject, title of the course, etc. And then save and continue. So here we have to tell them about our skills, language, spoken proficiency and written proficiency of the language. So I've selected the English language, then Hindi, and then Marathi, which is my native language. So also you have to fill in the technical skills you have and the proficiency level of the same. I've filled four skills here. You can also fill more if you want by choosing the add another option. And then you can just select the option. Now here I'm selecting Python and the proficiency as basic, and then save and continue. Next, a few set of questions they're asking, and then fill them according to you. Like how have you previously interned, or are you current or former intern or employee of some given companies. Just read them carefully and then fill the information. Then self-identification. Fill these details accordingly. Gender, ethnicity, race, disability status, etc. has been asked here. So yeah, I've filled in all the details. Now I'll save and continue. Now affiliation, and you have to upload your resume. Just select the options accordingly. So you have to click there for uploading your resume, the format about it, and whatever details are required to fill in that. And here they have given a few things which you have to include in your resume. The format: personal details, educational details, employment history, personal development skills, and a few instructions before you submit. Read them carefully and design your resume. Then here you can upload your resume by choosing a file from your device. Select the file, click open. After it is uploaded, just save and continue. So here they have a declaration. You just have to click I agree with the terms above and then submit the application. You can read the declaration once carefully. Now it says the current status is application received. Thank you for applying to Goldman Sachs. You will be contacted. So they'll be contacting you through mail and you'll be getting the further details there.